Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XDC. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XDC, and this is the 1 month chart. It looks horrible, doesn't it? But you got to remember, we're just dealing in pennies right now. If you know where this cryptocurrency is going, you will stack as much of it as you possibly can at 5 cents. Because eventually, we're going to be talking about XDC jumping by 20, 30 cents in the future. It's just a matter of time. You know, so many people forget that XDC is going to be part of the fourth industrial revolution, part of the new financial system. Once they realize how big this cryptocurrency is going to become, it will be too late. They will already be priced out on it because everything is coming together perfectly. Bridging real and digital worlds, the role of digital twins in XDC Network's tokenization revolution. Now, digital twins, you know who else is going very big on this? QNT, because this is becoming something much bigger now. So the synergy of digital twins and tokenization on the XDC network. The XDC network, with its hybrid blockchain infrastructure, offers both public and private chain capabilities. This dual nature is crucial in promoting the symbiotic relationship between tokenization and digital twins. You know who uses this? Ford Motor Company. They have one physical car, say it's a Mustang, right? But then they make 7 digital twins of that same Mustang. And they test it out and they see how they can improve it and make it better. And the idea of big corporations like Ford doing that, all of a sudden GM will be doing it, Mercedes will be doing it, BMW will be doing it. It leads to much bigger adoption of networks like XDC. So you see, real-time asset monitoring with digital twins collecting real-time data. Tokens on the XDC network can reflect the latest status or value of the underlying asset. This ensures that token holders always have up-to-date information. Enhanced security. XDC's consensus mechanism combined with the immutable nature of digital twins ensures that tokenized assets are free from tampering and misrepresentation. Ease of transfer. With the XDC network's smart contract capabilities, asset transfers become efficient. Digital twins can automate the verification process, ensuring that the underlying asset matches its digital representation during transactions. Increased liquidity. The combination of fractional ownership through tokenization and the verification capabilities of digital twins makes it easier for investors to buy or sell tokenized assets, leading to increased market liquidity. What else is great about this is tokenization is going to start to really amp up and start to really boom. And when it does, XDC network can capture a decent percentage of that. And according to the World Economic Forum, it's a $770 trillion market. So even if XDC gets 5 to 10% of that market, we will be priced out so quick on this cryptocurrency. But look at the real world applications. Real estate. Property can be tokenized on the XDC network, with its digital twin reflecting real-time property data like maintenance records, occupancy rates, or valuation changes. Supply chain, goods in transit can be tokenized, and their digital twins can provide real-time tracking, ensuring authenticity and time delivery. Art and collectibles. Rare artworks can be tokenized to allow fractional ownership. The digital twin can hold the artwork's provenance and authenticity records, ensuring buyers are confident in their investments. Digital twins are becoming more and more popular all the time. But what's great about tokenization and how I know it's going to be a massive market is because the average person that works a 9-to-5 job can all of a sudden invest in a luxury hotel. They could invest in real estate all around the world. They could invest in anything that has value. It levels the playing field. And I think people are going to love the idea of it in the future. Thrilled to welcome XDC Trade Network as the newest member of the TFD initiative as we continue to expand our community. XDC Trade Networks join forces with leading names like Vayana, Trade Exchange, Finverdi, and more in our shared mission to transform trade finance into a viable asset class. And this is going to start to amp up in September. And like I said, I think a lot of people are going to be rushing to buy XDC once the price starts to move. Iningio enables digitalization of UK mortgages. The UK mortgage and house buying process, long seen as slow and heavily paper-based, is now ripe for full digitalization by both removing paper and automating processes. And again, that's going to be a massive industry as well. Everything is going digital because we're in the digital age, the fourth industrial revolution. And it's so easy to get rich off of this. All you have to do is invest in the right cryptocurrencies, like XDC. XDC is about to take the world by surprise. Digital trade, Singapore and India. Singapore and India kick off an era of interoperable electronic bills of lading for trade finance. So now it begins. And like I said, XDC is going to be at the heart of all of this. There's no alternative to XDC. The electronic trades law being passed is historic. It will change everything. Not in the news. Barely anyone knows. It's absolutely mind-blowing. The digital transformation of our economy is unfolding. Don't ignore it. It's a game changer. And you know, you'd think they would talk about this on the news. Let people know how the world is evolving. But nothing. And most people, if you're not in crypto, you don't have a clue this is even happening. But because you are in crypto, you get to see it all get built from the ground up. People 2-3 years from now are going to be wishing they could go back to this time right now and buy cryptocurrencies like XDC when it's still sitting at 5 cents. I mean, we are so lucky, but you know, it's beyond that. We were smart enough. We had the vision to see what was coming, and we took the first steps to investing in it. This way, we will get wealthy in the future. People lose their financial freedom because they're in too much of a hurry. They don't make the effort to research information, invest in the right reasons, and wait years based on their analysis. Everybody thinks you come into crypto on Monday and you put $1,000 in and like you leave on Friday with $1 million. They think it's that simple. But when you're investing in something like XDC, everything takes time to grow and build out. You know, last year it was really rough holding XDC. This year, not so much, because now we got laws put in place around digital trade, and the world is ready to push full steam ahead with digital trade. So now I know it's just a matter of time until our investment takes off. And look at the ecosystem on XDC. It has an incredible ecosystem as well. It's a very well-rounded cryptocurrency, yet it's overlooked by so many in the crypto space. It does not make sense to me at all. You would think the average crypto investor would definitely want to be holding some XDC. Now, Crypto Reviewing did a review of XDC back in May. And this is what they came up with. They gave it a rating of 8.9 out of 10. So for project, 2,000 plus transactions per second, the fees are way under a penny, connecting $16 billion DeFi market to $100 trillion TradeFi market. The utility is absolutely incredible. Same with the roadmap. The team is also very good as well. But you know, one thing I want to point out is they say the price potential by 2025 is $1.65 for XDC, a 50x, right? I think we're going to go much higher. I think if we went on a full run right now, I think XDC can surpass at least $4, and I'm being conservative, based on the growth around this cryptocurrency. But an 8.5 or an 8.9 out of 10 is pretty good, because I seen some cryptocurrencies that crypto reviewing did, and they get a horrible review. And that's how you know you're invested in the right way as well. You look at the growth on the network. You look at the way things are playing out and expanding, and you know that your investment is secure. Here we go. The eyes are useless when the mind is blind. And the Brics, our member India, has reportedly purchased oil from the UAE using its national currency for the first time ever. They're going to be trading back and forth inside of Brics. And when people talk about the Brics, the first thing they talk about is XRP and how it's going to bridge payments from one country to another. But what about digital trade from one country to another? I think that's where XDC will be tied in with the Brics. XinFin and the rise of private blockchains, a comparative analysis. Now, this comes from House of Chimera. So you see, controlled participation. Only authorized entities can access, ensuring controlled network activity and smooth operation. The Brics would like that. Speed and efficiency. With fewer participants, transaction speeds are fast, ensuring quick consensus and block creation. Again, they will like the speed of XDC as well. Customization. Organizations can tailor blockchain's rules, functionalities, and design to fit their specific needs. Cost effective. Without the need for extensive consensus mechanisms, operation costs are typically lower than public blockchains. Data privacy. Private blockchains maintain data confidentiality, crucial for businesses wanting to protect proprietary information. I think the Brics would also like that as well. And the security is absolutely incredible. XDC has what it takes to be involved with digital trade between India and China, China and Russia, India and Brazil, India and South Africa, or China to Brazil. It fits in perfectly. That's why I think the Brics will choose to use XDC. Inside R3 Corda, R3 is a Ripple competitor. I don't see it as a competitor. In fact, XRP is working with Corda and SBI. Same thing with XDC. But when it comes to XDC, I know it's the coin. It's the settlement coin for R3. So I want to see this come about as well. I want to see this really get built out. And I want to see where it pushes the price of XDC in the future. In other words, what I'm saying is XDC is going to be a long-term hold for me. I want to see it get to its full potential before I sell this cryptocurrency. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.